Hey guys, Robert TallguysRC. Thought I'd do a quick video here. Picked up the TX16S MKII from Radiomaster, and I wanted to see if I could program in one of my UMX timbers into the radio to get it all to work. So let me show you what I got here. Let's take off throttle, cut here. So we have throttle, we have ailerons, we have elevator, we have rudder, we have flaps, and we have safe. So guys, it can be done. You can actually program your Radiomaster to actually fly a UMX plane that you might have from Horizon Hobby. It takes a little work, but it can be done.